In this video, I will share 3 basic tips about content marketing. Since the rise of the social media platform, we actually producing all kinds of content unconsciously. But how to create a good content marketing? Let's get started now. The first tip is always providing value to audience. The content has to give what the customer wants, benefit the audience, and make them feel good after digesting your content. Think about creating the content that will get resonant with your audience across awareness, interest, and consideration stages, as those are the biggest pie of marketing funnel. Besides, what about convert the FAQ, PM question, or common issue become evergreen content? So this is more towards the education direction rather than hard sell. As you can see, it's not hard to find the ideas to create content, but the challenging part is the consistency and determination throughout the process. The second tip is keep it simple but quality. I'm sure some of us just starting or one-man show. What about try with simple format like publish a few sentences of text, creating content and reshare, or even reuse your existing material? Think and focus about your goal, objective along the content preparation journey. Sometimes, good content doesn't mean must spend long hours. For example, a simple meme also can potentially become viral by joining the latest bandwagon. Remember, the ideas, originality, and creativity are much more important nowadays. Learn how to create high-quality content with the most efficient method, then gradually refine the content. The third tip is having a balanced ratio of promotional content. Occasionally promote your product and services are totally fine, as long as you know how to control the frequency and method you promote. If you over the limit or the tolerance level, the consequences is the audience will click to hide content, unfollow, unsubscribe, which we don't want. The solution is plan your content ahead so you have a big pictures about the content marketing strategy. Make use of the social media platform built-in or third-party scheduling tool as well. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Okay, that's all for the 3 basic tips for content marketing. Remember, content marketing is like a first date. If all you do is talk about yourself, there won't be a second date. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment, and share this video.